In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Contacts to Zoho CRM. To get started, make sure you're logged in to your Zoho CRM account with admin permissions, because only an admin can set up this integration. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the small gear icon, which is the setup area. Go ahead and click that. This opens the main configuration panel, where you manage all of your integrations and system settings. From the Setup page, find and select the Marketplace option. This is where Zoho lets you connect external apps and services. Inside Marketplace, look for the Google section. You may see several Google apps listed here, but for this setup, you want to choose Google Contacts. Click on Google Contacts to open its integration page. On the Google Contacts integration page, you'll see an option to install the extension or connector. Click Install. Zoho may show you a brief overview of what the integration does. You can review that if you like. When you're ready, confirm the installation and wait a moment while Zoho adds it to your CRM. Next, you'll need to authorize the connection between Zoho CRM and your Google account. Click Authorize. A new window will open asking you to sign into your Google account if you're not already signed in. Choose the Google account that holds the contacts you want to sync, then review the permissions being requested. These usually include access to view and manage your contacts. Once you're comfortable with that, click Allow to complete the authorization. After authorization, you'll be asked to choose the sync type. This is an important decision. You can select a one-way sync from Google to Zoho, which means contacts flow from Google into Zoho CRM, but not the other way around. Or you can choose one way from Zoho to Google, so your CRM is the source of truth and updates push out to Google Contacts. The third option is a two-way sync, where changes in either Google or Zoho update the other system. Think about how your team works and where you want the master record to live before choosing. Once you've picked the sync type, you'll see a field mapping section. Here, you match each Google Contacts field to the appropriate Zoho CRM field. For example, map the Google name field to the Zoho contact name, email to email, phone to phone, and so on. Take your time here. Correct mapping ensures your data stays clean and useful. When everything looks right, click Save. Zoho will store your sync settings and begin using them the next time a synchronization runs.